Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm sharing with you guys my moving journey to my new home. Yes guys, I finally found a home that pleased me and is within my budget, and I really love the place. And guys, we're moving to our new place. As you can see, the way I move, guys, I always, as I'm moving and set up everything. As you can see, my living room already set up upon moving. And guys, I sold a lot of my things, and the one that I keep, I'm going to sell them too. But as of for now, I wanted something for my family for the Thanksgiving. So this chair, I love them. They're really expensive, and my Christmas tree, I wanted to put it together today, but I couldn't find a leg, so I have to leave it for now and go to the dining area because I need something ASAP for for Thanksgiving, not Christmas, for Thanksgiving, guys. As you can see, the people that come in to deliver my washer and dryer, I bought it from Best Buy, and guys, I can tell you they give me white glove delivery, no extra cost, and I really like it. So they unbox everything and they set it up for me, so no problem. So I really love the delivery time because it's perfectly timing for my family as I move, and I find my washer and dryer coming exact same time. So I'm very happy for that because I don't have to worry about going to a laundromat or anything just to watch my kid clothes. So guys, you know, I work in the healthcare, so after work I always love to wash my uniform. So this is perfect for me. Alright guys, as you can see, the people helping me set up my washer and dryer. So I'm going to the dining area so I can set up for Thanksgiving. Okay guys, keep on watching.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get it.
Inside the dining area, guys, I have a lot of boxes, a lot of things that I ordered from Amazon. I already received them, and some of them already know that's all my mirror that I have from the previous home. And my sideboard is kind of not pretty right now, but you know, I'm going to clean it and make it brand new again. And guys, I have my dining chairs, and you know, this light, I don't really like it at all, and it's a easy fix. So I'm going to make everything my way. And this is the dining chair that I ordered. It's new, so the one that I had, like I said, I already sold it on Facebook Marketplace, and I have some new item in my mirror. I'm going to put it on the wall, but not yet. I'm waiting, maybe after Christmas, I don't know. But as of for now, I'm not going to use it for the Thanksgiving. And you know guys, it's Thanksgiving, so I need the dining area set up ASAP because to serve my family. This rug, I get it from Amazon, guys. It's not the most expensive one because I paid for little money. Not too expensive, but I love it because it's not slippery. You don't even need a rug mat. You don't need the mat to put underneath of it because it's laying flat, and it's not moving nowhere. So I like it. For the price that I pay, it's a really good deal. And it's kind of, it look gray, but it's not gray, guys. It's a deep green, very very dark green, and I really love the way it look in my dining area because the table that I have right now is not the table that I wanted. I ordered one, and when it came smashed, so the guy had to return with it because it wasn't good enough for me to do anything with it. But this one I picked up from Facebook Marketplace so I can serve my family for Thanksgiving. As you can see guys, very nice. This table originally it's like 1,500, but I paid a decent amount for it on Facebook because I needed something ASAP. I want to take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Guys, I'm using this beautiful dining plate. It has a gold rim. I really love it. I have it for a quiet time, but you know, everything was inside boxes, bins. I couldn't find them, but now I'm so grateful that I have a place. I give them home, so I know exactly where everything is, so I can bring you some great content. And guys, as you can see, I use those wine glass in my previous videos, but I really love them. They're gorgeous, and they look expensive. They are expensive, guys. Yes, I really love them for this setting. Perfect for a good occasion like Thanksgiving. And guys, I needed something simple and quick, and that's all I can come up with. So make sure to watch the video till the end to let me know what do you think, because this one is my very first video in this house.
Be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, this is my first setting in my new home. Guys, I know I have a lot of plenty more to come, so make sure to like the video, guys, to support the channel. As you can see, guys, the table turns out very beautiful. Let me know what do you think, if that's something you'll recreate in your home. So I want to hear from you in the comment down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue, mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, merci, merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Et si ce n'est pas la première fois, tout, moi je vous remercie un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, maintenant.
Giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.